one thing I haven't been doing is really writing everything down like how I used to. And when I used to write things down when I first started doing content or whatever the case may be, like it was easier to produce the content because
Listen, man, if someone tells you you're not supposed to be obsessed over what you're doing, they're crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell you, like, I'm really live, breathe, sleep. I'm here. I'm soaking up game every day, bro. Just trying to get better, get better. You know, the first vlog I put out on the new channel was regular vlog. Like it was me editing, you know, but it wasn't as good as this one that I dropped today. Like, bro, this is I'm saying I'm getting there, bro. Like I want it to be, you know, I put out, you know, just constantly better content, better, better, better. Even in business, like everything just better, just get better. That's what I want to do. Like that's the goal. The main goal is to build, is not to stay stagnant. Like most people. Most people stay stagnant and they don't end up going anywhere. But, you know, just on the grind, bro. That's it. It's the grind, it's the document. It's like a documentary. I feel like every video is an episode of the documentary. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm just show you our process. Sometimes I be forgetting to record, but like I'm still low key new to recording, bro. Like, and I'm doing everything by myself. Like I'm recording by myself, everything like that. But if I end up going out, then, you know, I'm going to try to have somebody record for me or like, you know, something like that. But I low-key want to get I want to get a camera to where it's like one of those tracker ones. I'm going to, eventually, you're going to see the videos and it's going to have it in there. And then you can be like, damn, he really did it. I'm saying that's how I want people to see everything. You see me say something, you know what I'm saying, and it comes into fruition because I'm on that, bro. I want to do, like, I want to get better. I don't want to be stagnant, bro. Most people, they just, like, it's a lot of people that talk. So I have conversations with people, bro, and then they'll be like, why are you trying to business? Like, why wouldn't I? You know what I'm saying? I have that. That's one of my goals, to have a big business or, you know what I'm saying, just get up there in business. That's my goal. Not everybody has that goal. Not everybody wants a business. Not everybody wants the struggles of the business. So you can't be like, oh, why are you doing it? You know what I'm saying? If I fail in it, I fail in it, bro. It's constant. You fail in it, keep going. You know what I'm saying? I'm going into it with the thought process of I can fail, but what they say you pray for the best, prepare for the worst. That's literally what it is, bro. If I fail, bro, you know how many times I failed in anything, bro? I failed so many times. And I've had situations happen so many times that like people wouldn't even be able to go through, bro. I promise you, bro. I've had things happen multiple times and people would not be able to survive the first round of it, bro. Literally. I've had situations, bro. I'm still going through situations. I'm saying that people would not be able to fathom, bro. And it's like, that's the dog in me, bro. It's you keep showing up, you keep going. Even when I was in the worst of worst positions, bro, I was still showing up. I was still going, bro. I never quit. I kept going. That's it. I want to end it on that. That's a positive note right there. That's a powerful note.
damn, I flip it kind of like that. Trying to get right a little bit there. I gotta eat a little bit more. That's what I'm about to go do. But I really just wanted to pick up the camera right now and just basically let me hold it a little bit higher. My hands wet. I didn't pee on myself, by the way. I'm saying my hands is wet. But bro, I feel like being an analyst or being able to analyze your content that you put out or anything that you do, being able to analyze yourself and being overly critical is very important, bro. Like I just watched the whole entire vlog back, bro. And I'm the one that edited it. I edited the video. So I know what the video talks about, but like I want to make content that I would want to watch. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, watching it back fully, like even after I edited it, whatever, watching things over or reviewing content, reviewing descriptions, titles, everything, thumbnails, reviewing everything is very important because, bro, how you can be able to improve, you know, and being able to watch other people's content and not compare yourself, but, you know, pick up things that you can implement in your content or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? That's a skill that I picked up over time. Like I used to not even want to watch anybody else's content because I'm like, I should be doing it. I'm saying then I picked up the habit of being able to watch somebody else's content and implement certain things from tactics they use, you know, instead of basically just opting out of the whole entire thing. But I say all this to say, bro, like, it's not as hard as people make it seem. Like, you know, content is really just, you just got to be your own analyst. You got to do everything correctly the first time, and then it's easier, bro. Like, think about it. Before this week, I didn't know that I could make one video and get like 20 clips off of it and literally be able to post any one of those clips on to socials and not have to make videos every single day. You know what I'm saying? Even though I still make videos, you know, like for at all the other platforms other than YouTube, like TikTok, Instagram, you know, things like that. But just learning new things. That's all it is, bro. I said this last vlog.
All it is just a learning process. That's it. That's really what I've been on. Chicken, shredded chicken. I'm saying really just been eating this. I would have ate it with some rice, but oh, hold up. Nah, I'm definitely about to eat this, bro. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I would have ate it with some rice, but they cooked the rice. Absolutely cooked the rice. But so I got this right now. I got some chicken tender in there right now because I'm about to eat it with my salad, which I know is not one of the best meals, but it is what it is, bro. I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? I'm still getting my protein with the chicken. So yeah. This hot sauce, I'm not sponsored, but this hot sauce is fire. This is fire, bro. Fire. I put this on the chicken, I eat the chicken just like that, bro. If I would have had some rice, I would have had the rice under, but you know what it is. They ate it already, bro. So I'm gonna have to make some more. Yeah. All the ingredients for my salad. So you guys will see the process of the salad. No cap. Bro, I didn't even show the ingredients, but we got Italian seasoning, black pepper, you need that. Then we got the romaine lettuce. This is, I'm saying, you need this. Get to work. I'm trying to be fat. It's probably like super slow. Cut these up. Always cut away because you don't want to cut your freaking fingers. Trust me, I know. I want that. You want to dump it in there? Sure. Put that in there. Put your cheese. Put in cheese. That's low-key OD, but cool. Move as you go. You want to put things away while you bringing things out. Almost forgot the ranch. You got the home-style ranch. Put that in there. Go a little bit ranch heavy just because, like, I don't like a dry salad. This thing is falling. It's falling. Put your black pepper. You would have thought I was a chef. Hey, this is a thumbnail right here. Nah, this is the finished product, though. Finished product type vibe. I don't know what it is, but this stand right here is hating on me, bro. It wasn't even recording me for real. Like, it was only getting, like, the bottom part of me. It's the aftermath. This is what I'm doing instead of going out. Building this app. Trying to get this right, bro. I'm literally editing everything right now, bro. It's like 12 in the morning. But, you know, could have went out, but I got to get this done, bro. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get it done. Like, a method to the madness. Honestly, because it's like, you think about you could be doing one thing, but you need to do what you need to do. You want to do what you shouldn't do. That's a bar. But yeah, right now I'm just working on the app, trying to get it right. I really just want to get this right, bro. Like, because I really could have just off rip just put out the first version and just call it a day. But I want everything to align and everything to be correct the first time. That way, you know, you come across everything that I have going on and you basically spend your time engaging with everything I have going on, you know. You could easily get in there and get everything that you want to do or everything you need done. You could get it done because, you know, everything's right there straightforward. Like, I wish that was the case for me. I wish there was someone that actually really, really cared about influence or the people they're trying to help out. You know, a lot of these people, they want to be mentors or they want to have a mentorship or help you out, you know, and they're just money hungry, bro. And then you use the product, it's not even that good of a product. Like, there's a couple that's actually good, but you know, there's a lot of people that just want money. So they're going to put out anything just to easily get money. And, you know, I had to snap out of that first because I really started off trying to just get the most money I could out of, you know, business. But I realized that it's, for me personally, it's better to help people out and actually take my time with clients and everything like that. So, yeah. Is that gleeful? Gleeful. I'm currently working right now, but I really just wanted to pick up the camera and say, bro, like, it's really a game, bro. At the end of the day, bro, if do something, you want to attract something in life, bro, the easiest way to do it is really about manifesting it, talking about it, obsessing over it, to an extent being delusional about it, bro. Because been a lot of times where I said I'm going to do something and I really believed that. Like, I really thought I was going to do it. I really felt like I had that gut feeling like, yeah, I'm definitely going to do it. You know, and then it happened, bro. And multiple times on end. So I feel like that's pretty much a good way to go about life. A lot of people are just brain dead, like not brain dead, but like drones, bro. Like they don't have the cognitive functions to even do anything, bro. They just, you know, they just go to work, eat, sleep, repeat. They don't have that cognitive function to basically wake up and try to put their all into something. Or some people like that lifestyle though. You know, business lifestyle is not for everybody, but you know, I feel like there's a lot of people that, especially on the internet, that want to make it seem like they're just so up and they got so much money when in reality, they're not making as much as they make it seem. Yeah, that's really what I got to say right now.